Coronavirus cases in India crossed the 6 lakh mark on Thursday. 1 lakh cases were reported in a matter of just 5 days. Santa Cruz MLA Tony calls on police not to pick up local youth as part of shootout investigation. Says parents are complaining to him. Farmers upset say MLA cheated them. Acquired land fraudulently. Will approach court. Chief Secretary Labour Secretary agreed there is a fraud in construction labour scheme. Asked for time to investigate, says Goa Forward after Lokayukta hearing.
Hello and welcome, this is Susan Gomes and now I shall take you through the news in detail. Deputy Chief Minister Babu Kavlekar appealed to people to undergo testing in those areas where patients have been found positive. But what about the MLAs who might have come in contact with coronavirus positive MLA from the south? Babu Kavlekar is circumspect about this. Here are the details.
Some ministers and MLAs are under pressure as MLA from south was tested positive for coronavirus and there are talks he has come in contact with other MLAs. Demand has come from the opposition that MLAs should undergo test. Watch what Babu's reply is on it.
म्हणजे आपण राहून एज ए एमएलए काम बी करून घेतलें पण काय खबर ना खंय साकून ते लागवड हे जाली म्हणटी काल ताका मातशें सडनली मातशें पेन जावपाक लागलो म्हण तेणी चेकअप केलें जाल्यार पॉझिटिव्ह मेळ्ळें आज ताची फॅमिली गेल्ली आहा
एमएलए कॉन्टॅक्टान येयल्ले तेजे
फॅमिली म्हळ्यार घराकच रावण तो घराकच एमएलएज ना आमी फाटल्या विकाक मेळ्ळे तेच फाटल्या विकाक आमी सगळे
डिस्क्वॉलिफिकेशन पेटिशनाच्या इशूचे तुमी मिटींग घेतलेली पळय तेन्ना
मेळप जाल्लें आमगेलें
एमएलएनी मागला ओपीडी कोणें मागला टेस्टिंग
सगळे एमएलए टेस्टिंग करपाची गरज
करपा जाय सगळ्यांनी
तुमकां दिसता
करून घेवप बरें न्ही
सो तुमी घेवपाचे घेतले
प्रिकॉशन म्हणजे आतां म्हज्या मतदारसंघात एमएलए अशें म्हण न्ही बाकी सुद्दां मतदारसंघात जायत आसा न्ही म्हणजे प्रिकॉशन म्हणजे आमी लोकांनी सगळ्यांक आमी इन्सिस्ट करता लोकांक पयलीं कंपल्सरी घेवपाक आमचे ते जालेच की गांवांनी काही लोकांचे भितर हें कशें आसता की आपूण बरो आसा आनी कितें जाला कांय ना न्ही अशें हें आसता म्हणटकीच ताका आपूण बरो आसा म्हणून ओगी रावून जायना तर तेणी वचून चॅक करप हें सामकें गरजेचें.
14 more policemen deployed at Ponda police station were tested positive for coronavirus. This take total number to 17. Some reports are still pending. Urban Development Minister Milind Naik on Thursday visited the COVID center in MPT Hospital at Sadat to take stock of the situation. Naik, during his visit, interacted with the medical team and checked the facilities available at the COVID care center.
आज पर्यंत हॉस्पिटलांत म्हणजे ह्या कोविड केअर सेंटराचेर जवळ 268 पेशंट येयले आनी गेले तातूंतले डिस्चार्ज जाला जवळ 142 डिस्चार्ज जाले म्हणजे ते बरें जाले आनी गेले म्हणजे आमच्या लोकांक मुद्दाम हें सांगता कितें आमच्या लोकां मदीं जी एक भिरांत आहा कोविड म्हणजे भिरांत आसात आसंकूय जाय भिवनूच वागूंक जाय पूण तशी भिरांत ना की कोण बरो जायना म्हणून आतांलोच रिपोर्ट आहा त्या एक पार्ट आहा जगा वयले उलयना आमच्या कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सीन एमपीटी कोविड केअर सेंटर केला थंयसरलो रिपोर्ट आहा आउट ऑफ 268 आतां थंय 126 येयले गेले.
Kortalim MLA Alina Saldana inaugurated COVID-19 swab sample collection center at the premises of Zuari Agrochemicals Limited. Alina also spoke on facilities and arrangements made in Zuari Nagar containment zone.
Therefore, the Civil Supplies Department has taken the responsibility to provide the essentials. The police is doing the monitoring, and in Zuari Nagar, a center for testing, especially the members, family members and close associates of those who have been declared positive is going on. Zuari industry, I think, is the first industry that has set up its own, workshop, not a workshop, its own laboratory kind of, where the workers are being tested. That was inaugurated just yesterday. I went there, I did not meet the workers, but I met the management and they are definitely doing the needful.
Amar Chavaria, Hiru Mahale for Goa 365 from Panaji and Vasco.
Chief Secretary and Labour Secretary have admitted that there is some gotala with regards to the Lokayukta hearing after a complaint by Goa Forward. The party has demanded in-depth investigation in this matter. Congress said it's a big scam, while Goa Forward demanded the arrest of the culprit. Next hearing is scheduled on the 5th of August.
Goa Forward's Durgadas Kamath demanded that BJP Karyakartas and leaders be put behind bars for grabbing money in the name of construction workers. This is a scam, Durgadas said. In a hearing held by Lokayukta, it was revealed that prima facie a scam took place in this fund.
So, respondent number 1 and 2 जे आसात, चीफ सेक्रेटरी तशेंच लेबर सेक्रेटरी हांच्यानी रिप्लाय फायल केल्लो आसा की एडमिटींग की प्रायमा फेसी हे बोगस जाल्ले आसा आनी जेन्ना पयशे ऑलरेडी ट्रान्सफर जाले जवळ जवळ ते म्हणटात की 7,350 लोकांक तांणी ट्रान्सफर केले पयशे. हाज्या नंतर इट केम टू देअर नोटीस की बोगस बेनिफिशरी आसात म्हणून तांच्यांनी आतां रिव्हेरिफिकेशनाचो प्रोसेस स्टार्ट केला म्हणून. आनी त्या भायर लेबर कमिशनरानूय रिप्लाय फायल केल्लो आसा की 2 सरपंच आनी 2 पंच मेंबरांनी हे पयशे घेतिल्ले आसा जे बिल्डींग आनी अदर कन्स्ट्रक्शन वर्करांक आशिल्ले, गरिबांक खातीर आशिल्ले आनी हे पयशे तांणी रिफंड केला म्हणून. चोरान चोरी करतकच चोरयेचो सामान सांपडटकच चोराक कोण सोडनात. सो ह्या केसींनी हे पंच हे सरपंच जे आज रिप्लायन एडमीट केला लेबर कमिशनरान हे कशे हे जालेत आनी हांकां कोणे हे केले रजिस्टर करून घेतले हाजी चौकशी जावपाची गरज आसा. सो गरिबांक खातीर जे पयशे आशिल्ले जे बिल्डींग एंड अदर कन्स्ट्रक्शन वर्करांक खातीर जे आशिल्ले हाजे पयशे खावपाचें कारस्थान ह्या भारतीय जनता पार्टीचे जे कार्यकर्ते आसात थोडे हांच्यांनी केल्ले आसा. सो आमी मागतात की सरकारा कडेन की हे जे रिकवरी प्रोसेस जो आसा तुमी सुरू करपाक जाय. तशेंच जे पंच आनी सरपंच जे आसात आमचे आतां कांय डॉक्युमेंट लागल्यात तातूंत एक मंगेश चोडणकर म्हणून आहा जो भारतीय जनता पक्षाचो कार्यकर्तो शिवोली मतदारसंघांतल्यान. सो हाजें नांव आसा. तशेंच ZP कॅन्डिडेट जी आशिल्ली तिणें फॉर्म भरिल्लो आसा लेबर म्हणून ते आमी फॉर्म सगळे आज सबमीट केल्ले आसा. सो हातूंत क्लियर कट कळटा की हे कोणे कोणे पयशे घेतल्यात बोगस हांकां बेडयो पडटल्यो. हे गोवा फॉरवर्ड पक्ष पूर्णपणे समर्थ आसा हे पळोवपाक आनी वी वील सी दॅट these people land up in jail for defrauding the state exchequer and forging the things and siphoning the state funds which was meant for building and other construction workers.
Congress has alleged a massive scam in registration of labourers under the Goa Building and Other Construction Workers Welfare Board.
की ह्या खात्यान ह्या लेबराच्या संदर्भान बरेच व्हडले स्कॅम जाल्ले आसा. जे पयशे वितरीत केल्या ते पयशे BJPचे कार्यकर्त्यांक, BJPचे सरपंच, तेंचे पंच आनी तेंचे ZPचे कॅन्डिडेट आनी त्या कॅन्डिडेटांचे फॅमिली मेंबर हेंकां हे पयशे पावल्या. सो रजिस्ट्रेशन प्रोसेस आसता पळय तो प्रोसेस हेंच्यांनी फॉलो करूंक ना. ही 15,000ची जी फॉर्मां आसा ती फॉर्मां इनकम्प्लीट आसा पूण तांकां नंबर वो लेबर नंबर जो दिता लेबर बोर्ड तो नंबर तांकां अलॉट जाला. लेबर इन्स्पेक्टर जी फायनल ऑथॉरिटी आसा सायन मारून ते एप्रूव करपाचे लेबर इन्स्पेक्टराची सायन ना. ट्रेनिंगाच्या वेळार जे फोटोग्राफ जाय पडटा इनडोर आनी आउटडोर ते फोटोग्राफ खंय हातीक लागना. लॉगीन ही फॉर्मां भरल्या उपरांत लॉगीन करचें पडटा, एनरोल करचें पडटा, तेंच्या सायटीर ते एनरोल करचें पडटा. हे एनरोल केले कोणी? कोऑर्डिनेटरान केले काय आनीक कोणी केले कांयच खबर ना. लॉगीन करतलो जाल्यार लॉगीन ताका नंबर आसता, ID आसता. ती ID कोणा कडेन आसता? जो कोऑर्डिनेटर आसता पळय त्या वाठाराचो तेचेच कडेन आसता. पण खूब वेळार अशें जालां की त्या कोऑर्डिनेटराक खबरूच ना. हेंच्यांनी ऑफिसान आपणाच्या काय कोणाच्या दुसऱ्याच्या खंयच्या पार्टीच्या ऑफिसान बसून हेंच्यांनी ही फॉर्मां अपलोड केल्या. कंपनीक ट्रेनिंगाचे पयशे दिले तांकांय 4,000 एका कामगारा फाटल्यान 4,800 मेळटा ट्रेनिंग दिवपाक, इनडोर आनी आउटडोर ट्रेनिंग दिवपाक. तेंचे पयशे क्लियर जाले, बिलां पास. कामदारांक आमच्या पयशे ना. वेरियस ट्रेड आहा त्यो खूब ट्रेड पूण हांगा ज्यो ट्रेडी दाखयल्या फक्त कितें दाखयला मेसन आनी हेल्पर. प्लंबर आसा, फॅब्रिकेटर आसा, कार्पेंटर आसा, मेसन आसा, खूब आसा ट्रेडी. पूण हेंच्यांनी ट्रेनिंग जे केलां तें फक्त हेल्परांकूच करून उडयलां. 5,000 किट ह्या कंपनीन हिंदुस्तान युनिलिवर कंपनी ह्या कंपनीन ह्या बोर्डा कडेन लेबर बोर्डा कडेन धाडून दिल्ले. कोणाक वाटल्या? खंय वाटल्या? वाटवूच ना हेंच्यांनी. BJP कार्यकर्त्यांनी हे सगळे सामान हेंच्यांनी विकला आनी धंदो केलो. मागणी करता की तोंड उगडात. आयज पासून तुमी तोंड कित्याक उगडूं ना? जेन्ना पयलेच फावटी लेबर स्कॅम उक्ताडार येयलो तेन्ना एक बारीकसो कार्यकर्तो डिस्ट्रिक्ट लेवलाचो कोण तरी येयलो आनी हे सगळे सारके आमचे इतले पयशे दिले तितले पयशे दिले आनी मागीर तेची जागूच ना. आसा हिम्मत जाल्यार आमी जे आरोप केल्या त्या आरोपांक उत्तर दिवपाक येवचे मुखार.
Amacharya for Goa 365 from Panji.
Benaulim farmers have threatened to approach court if they are not compensated for their acquired lands. They have accused local MLA Churchill Alimau of falsely taking over their lands in the name of development.
Farmers said they waited for 1 month for compensation but to no avail. Our land costs 16 lakh rupees but local MLA won't pay us even a mere 20,000 rupees. We lost 600 square meters of land, says farmers.
आज आम्ही हांगा एकठांय जाले कारण आमकां चेचिलान व्हडलो धोको दिल्लो आसा. जायते फाटी आमी ते चेचिला व्हरून गेले आनी सांगिल्लें बाबा हो रस्तो जाता तो आमकां कितें कॉम्पेन्सेशन मेळपाक जाय म्हणून. पूण आयज पासून कांय आमकां दिवंक ना तेणें. मेळटले म्हणून आमी कितें 4-5-6 म्हयने रावले तरी आसता आमकां कांय फायदो ना चेचिलाचो. आतां तो ऑलमोस्ट कंप्लीट जालो. हे प्रॉपर्टीचो सुमार 16 लाख जातात आनी तो आमकां दिवंक सोदता फकत 20,000.
गेले कडेन आसा
आमगे शेत जागो गेला आसा सुमार 600 स्क्वेअर मिटर गेल्लो आसा. 600 स्क्वेअर मिटर वो जागो गेल्लो आसा आनी दुसऱ्याचो गेल्लो 300 मिटर. तेजी आमकां काय खबर ना. तेका कितें दिवन तेंकां वार केला आसतलें. पूण आमकां ना. आमगेलो 600 मिटरांचो जाग्याची किंमत आमकां दिवंक जाय तेणें. आमी कोर्टांत आतां वचपाक तयारी केल्या. कित्याक आमकां GSIDC तेका ते एक फॉल्स डॉक्युमेंट दिल्लो आसा चेचिलान आनी तेजें नांव घायलो आहा आर्जेमिरो रॉड्रिगीस म्हणून. आनी हो फेक ड्रॉईंग ना तेजे काउंटाचें स्टॅम्प पासून ना. हो फेक ड्रॉईंग हे एफिडेविट करून तो चेचिलान थिंग दिल्लो आसा खंय GSIDC. आमकां कळोंक जाय हो फेक ड्रॉईंगाचेर कसो तेमी काम चालू केलां तें.
हिंगा सद्या चल्ला ते फुटींगपणाक चल्ल्या. Churchill, our MLA, along with the help of GSIDC, Soza Engineers and Constructions, they have come up with fake NOCs of 5 rupees court fees. They are using it as the NOCs, wherein they are supposed to take it on 50 rupees stamp paper, that too notarized. What they are doing is they are carrying out each and every work that they are carrying out, it's done illegally. Whenever we are going to oppose them, the MLA is providing them with police force. So we went to meet the concerned authorities. They are not trying to cooperate with us. They are not trying to, and the farmers that have lost their land, they have taken fake NOCs from the Kumdar attorney, and wherein the farmers are also part owners of the land. They have not taken the people into consideration or confidence. They are carrying out each and every work illegally.
Ramesh Nagraut for Goa 365 from Benaulim.
We shall slip into a short break. Don't go away. Welcome back. Congress has opposed the proposed expansion of the waste treatment facility at Kalangut, Saligaon Plateau. Congress says there are already many problems in the functioning of the plant with the present capacity of 100 tons per day, and the expansion will bring more problems. Congress has also questioned where is the RTF waste that is generated at the plant going.
The waste treatment facility is sought to be expanded to 180 tons per day, but Congress says the government cannot handle the present capacity of 100 tons properly.
All the points that were raised in the show cause notice given by the Pollution Control Board have they been answered satisfactorily? Has anything been done by the government to make this dedicated corridor possible even in the existing tonnage? I want to know what is happening to the RDF refuse waste that is generated. Where is it going at the moment? No waste that is being brought to the facility is being segregated. The biomethanation plant there is running at half the capacity at about 3 megawatts. and the fermentation tanks that are supposed to treat this biodegradable waste are filled with sand and plastic. The expansion of the plant was approved basically during the tenure of the current MLA, Mr. Jayesh Sargaonkar. When he was in the cabinet, the finance department had cleared 83 crores in January 2019 during the tenure of Mr. Jayesh Sargaonkar as a minister. Please stop this idea of creating one centralized garbage treatment facility in the midst of a pristine village of Saligaon.
Amar Chavaria for Goa 365 from Panaji.
Police are lifting up youth from Santa Cruz and Mercedes. We won't interfere in police investigation, but we won't allow police to trouble our youth without any reason, Santa Cruz MLA Tony Fernandez stressed on Friday. We'll talk to the Chief Minister and will also raise this issue in the Assembly, he said.
Early morning gunfire and attack on a house at Santa Cruz shocked people recently. During the scuffle, Sonu Yadav succumbed to a bullet injury fired by his own gang member. The police have started picking up people in this connection as part of the investigation. Zenito Cardozo from Santa Cruz, who was involved in many unsavory incidents, has applied for anticipatory bail. The hearing is on.
हांव काल सीएमाकडे उलयलां. म्हाज्या फुड्यान खूब पेरंट्स येता आनी हिंगा रडटा देखून आनी म्हणटा आमचे भुरगे इनोसेंट आहा. रातचे 12 घेवन उबारून वता म्हणटा. स्कुलाचे भुरगे म्हणटा ते. तांकां येवन त्रास कोत्ता पुलीस. तेन्ना हांव सीएमाकडे विचारले हांवें ह्या भुरग्यांक तुमी सारकें इन्व्हेस्टिगेशन कोत्ता ते करा. आनी सीएमानूय सांगलां म्हाका आपूण सारकें कोत्ता म्हणून पूण ह्या भुरग्यांक कित्याक त्रास काय म्हणटा. हांवें आयकलां ते प्रमाणे कोणे फोन केल्या कोण ग्रुपान आहा कोण पार्टयेक आहा तांकां देखून येवन भुरग्यांक व्हरता. हांचो आवय बापूय येवन रडटा देरान आमी कितें जबाब दिवपाचो. तेन्ना हांवें सीएमाक सांगलां तूं पुलिसांक डायरेक्ट कर की तुमी इन्व्हेस्टिगेशन करता तें बरें आसा तुमी करा. आमी सीएमानूय हितून बरें काम केलां ना म्हणना पूण ह्या भुरग्यांक इतले त्रास जावपाक जायना. हे भुरग्याचे जर तर अशें मनान वायट केलें जायत ते भुरगे फुडें वायट जावंक शकता आनी तांचो फुडार पिड्यार जावंक शकता. म्हाजें हांव उलयतलो एज पर द प्रोटोकॉल हांव पयलो सीएमा कडेन उलयतलो आनी सीएमा कडेन उलयल्या नंतर हाजेर जरूर हांव अप्रोच असेंब्लीनी.
Amar Chavaria for Goa 365 from Panjim.
The opposition to doubling of South Western Railway tracks is increasing day by day. Locals from the area vehemently objected to the inspection of rail tracks by railway officials, alleging that villagers were not taken into confidence. Stop the inspection and send them back.
Local MLA Alina Saldana said that it was unacceptable that they gave her such a short notice. Social activist Olencio Simoes wanted to know for whose benefit the second track is being constructed. Locals do not have any benefit from it. Instead, they will face losses, he said.
I'm quite surprised that suddenly today morning at about 9:30, my PS got this information that the site inspection is happening. But it was clearly decided the day we had our meeting with the Honorable Chief Minister that there would be interaction and communication with us at least, if not with every landowner, definitely, but with us. We were not told anything. And Cliff, my PS, he tried to call the commander, who is representing also the government at the moment. He did not pick up the phone. And today at 9:30, he calls to say that the inspection is at 10 o'clock. This is not acceptable. This is about the state of Goa. We are talking about South Goa. We are concerned. It's not just the house. It's what this project is going to do to South Goa. And they have to tell us what is the quantum of coal that will be transmitted. Okay? And what will be the implications of that quantum upon the health of the people. South Western Railway has to tell us what will be the quantum. Anyway, we are not interested, but it is good to know facts. Now, the coal is to be carried to Karnataka. Surely Karnataka has ports. Let Karnataka do it.
जेन्ना एक कमांडरान आपणाची टेप लायली, विलेजरान तेका विचारले बाबा तू टेप कित्याक घालता लोकल MLA राव, हो चार्जिंग आमचेर येयलो. म्हाका दिसता अजून तेका दिसता की अजून आमी पोर्चुगीज रुलानूच आहा म्हणून. सो ह्या पळय असले पळय एटिट्यूड पळय रेल्वे पळय करता. एक टायम म्हणटा आमी पोर्चुगीज सिटीजन, यू वेरी पोर्चुगीज म्हणटा, आतां येता चार्ज करता. हे एटिट्यूड मातशें टायट करपाचें सरकारान. आमी हे जे सावथ वेस्टर्न रेल्वेचे पळय एक्विजिशन जो आसा आमी अपोज केलेलो रायट फ्रॉम 2008. आनी 2008 जेन्ना रेव्हेन्यू डिपार्टमेंट नोटिफिकेशन काडलेलो नोटीस, इफेक्टेड ओनराचें नांव दिल्लें. पूण ह्यो आयज नोटीस पळय तेंच्यांनी ड्राफ्ट केला, त्या नोटीस गांव ना कांय ना. पूण विलेजर्स ऑफ कासावली, आरोसी, पाले, इजोरसी आर स्ट्रॉंगली ऑब्जेक्टिंग टू एनी form of additional line in the village of Kasauli. On simple grounds is that we don't require another track. And why is this track built for who? Is it built for cold or people of Kasauli?
Hiru Mahale for Goa 365 from Kasauli.
We shall slip into a short break. Stay with us. Welcome back. The coronavirus cases in India crossed the 6 lakh mark on Thursday. 1 lakh cases were reported in a matter of just 5 days. 6 lakh persons were found positive out of the 90 lakh samples tested out of 135 crore population.
A single-day jump of around 19,148 COVID-19 cases were reported in India. In the last 24 hours, around 434 deaths were reported and 11,881 patients have recovered. India has reported 6,04,641 COVID-19 positive cases till date. The active cases have crossed the 2.26 lakh mark. 17,834 deaths are reported and more than 3.59 lakh patients have recovered. Here are the 5 worst hit coronavirus states. Maharashtra is leading with 1.80 lakh COVID-19 cases and it's leading, followed by Tamil Nadu 94,049, Delhi 89,802, Gujarat 33,232 cases and Uttar Pradesh 24,056. More than 1 lakh COVID-19 cases were reported worldwide in a single day. The COVID-19 cases have crossed the 1.8 crore mark. 5.19 lakh deaths are reported and more than 60 lakhs have recovered. Here are the 5 worst hit coronavirus nations. United States is leading with more than 26.16 lakh cases, followed by Brazil 14.2 lakh cases, Russia 6.54 lakh cases, India is the 4th worst hit nation with 6 lakh cases and UK with 3.12 lakh cases. Bureau Report, Goa 365.
A robber was caught red-handed in Margao on Thursday morning. The robber had entered an antique house and was allegedly looking for items. Hearing some noise, the owner of the house went and brought a social worker. The social worker summoned police, who caught the robber and took him away.
Owner of the house, Edgar Gomes, who is a senior citizen, lives alone in his ancestral house. The robber was trying to take away a metal trunk filled with some items of antique value.
ते एंटीक सामान बी आहा न्ही ते चोरून व्हरपा लागले. ते पळय आयज आमगे ओल्ड मार्केटान हिंगा तो एडगर तेगे घरान चोर येयले चोरपा. तेन्ना म्हाका तो कोण आहाय म्हणून म्हाका सांगपा येयलो. हांव उबो आहा ते ओल्ड मार्केट सांगपा येयलो तेन्ना हांव ताबड तेजे बरोबर येयलो रोखडो आनी आमकां पयलीं दिसूं ना तें. मागीर फाटल्यानच्यान आमकां आवाज येयलो की कोण तरी आहा म्हण थिंगा. तेन्ना आमकां आवाज येयलो कोण तरी आहा म्हण. आमी कडल्यान पुलिसे फोन केलो. पुलीस येयले आनी पुलीस तेका सोदपा लागले. सोदपा लागले तो आमकां पयलो मेळूं ना. मागीर तो पळतो हे फाटल्या वर्सां येयलो. फाटल्यान तेका आतां पुलिसेन धरून वयला आनी तो सिनियर सिटीजन हे सिनियर आनी तो एकटो रावता ह्या घरान. बरें जालें तेका मारूं ना म्हणून तेणी.
नेबर आहा तो थिंगा बाबू म्हणून तो गेलो बाबू गेलो सांग तो आनी पडटा म्हाका पावस करतालो हांव भायर आयलो घरान आयलो तेदो तो 3 जाण आयले ते बसीन तो स्टेट बँकेक बस घेवन आसा 3 जाण देंवले तो बस रावता तेन्ना देंवले आनी हिंग गेले आनी रावले उबे मागीर एक रान एश कोन्न पांयान एश कोन्न लोकयले ते लोक उगडले हे भितर आयले.
Sandeep Trekar for Goa 365 from Margao.
With that, we have come to the end of this news bulletin. For more news and updates, log into our website www.goa365.tv. Follow us on Facebook, Goa365 TV, and subscribe our YouTube channel, Goa365 TV, or download our app on both Android and iPhones to watch it on your mobile. Keep watching Goa365.